Hi, I'm Anisha. So today we are going to practice a quick meditation that will hopefully deepen your connection within your own self and just allow you to take a break during the day or in the night to tune in a little bit deeper into what's going on within your own body and mind. So let's go ahead and start. I want you to come into a comfortable position. Anything is fine. If you want to lay down in your bed and lay all the way flat on your back, that's fine too. If you want to sit in a chair, sit on the floor, sit on a couch, whatever you want to sit or lay down is, however you want to do that is fine. But essentially, I want you to get really comfortable. Okay, so however feels good for you, wear something comfortable like I'm wearing. I'm wearing a sweatshirt. So whatever feels comfortable to you, and just get super comfy, and let's go ahead and start. Close the eyes. And I want you to start today with just taking a moment to check in with the mind, check in with the body. Notice how you're feeling right now. So notice how the mind's feeling, notice how the body's feeling. And we'll slowly start to scan through the body. So we're going to start with the top here, starting with the head and the face. Just simply notice, observe. Notice if you're holding on to any tension or any tightness within the face, the eyes. The jaw, the mouth, maybe even the teeth. See if you can just breathe into that space a little bit more. And then making your way down into the neck, the chest, the shoulders. Notice if you're holding on to any tightness or tension. Notice how it feels within that region. And see if you can breathe into that space a little bit more. Give that space some love. And moving down into the arms, the hands, the fingers. Just notice if you're holding on to any tightness or tension, if anything hurts, is there anything achy. Just see if you can breathe into that space a little bit more. Give that space some love. Moving down into the abdomen, the belly, the hips. Notice if you're feeling tight, any pain, any tension. And allow yourself to breathe into that space. Give that space some love. And then moving down into the thighs, the knees. Noticing here how you're feeling there. And breathe a little bit deeper into that space. And give that space an internal hug, if you can. And then moving down into the ankles, the feet, the toes. Noticing how those areas in the body are feeling. And just deepen your breath into that space. Give that space a warm internal hug. And then taking an entire body scan, noticing how you're feeling in the mind, in the body, from head to toe, all the way down. Noticing any areas of tightness or tension that you still might be holding on to. And give that space a big internal hug here, sending some love to that space. And then allow that internal hug that you gave from head to toe to just deepen, almost like a warm bolt of love, right? Filling the entire body. Sending love to the mind, sending love to your heart. Deepening your breath here. Just let the breath flow into that space a little bit more. Feeling the breath as it pulsates along from head to toe. When you're ready, gently begin to blink the eyes open. I hope that you are able to continue to observe that love within yourself, within your mind, within your body. Thank you for allowing me to share this meditation with you today. My name is Manisha. Be well.